Hello, and welcome to the Inspire Academy Elementary English, Unit 14. My name is Sarah. I will be your teacher today, and let's get started. What will you learn in Unit 14? We will learn different sounds in English, vowel sounds, A, E, I, O, U, and Y, and combination vowel sounds. So let's get started. Vowel sounds. Listen and repeat these sounds. A, E, I, O, U, Y. The long A sound. The long A sound is baby, lady, bacon. The long E sound. The long E sound is wheel, sheep, queen. The long I sound. The long I sound is ice, kite, dime. The long O sound. The long O sound is boat, soap, goat. The long U sound. The long U sound is cube, mule, unicorn. The long Y sound. The long Y sound is sky, fly, guy. More vowel sounds. Listen and repeat. We are going to do short sounds. A, E, I, O, U, and Y. The short A sound. Cat, man, cap. The short E sound. Bed, legs, hen. The short I sound. Mitt, kid, lips. The short O sound. Socks, rock, dog. The short U sound. Duck, hug, sun. The other Y sounds. Gym, syrup, mystery. Vowel combination sounds. The OW sound sounds like bow, throw, oak, soak. The OA sounds like oak and soak. The OU sounds like through. The AI sound like night. IGH, fight and high. The GH is silent. It sounds like a long I. Fight and high. Side and price. Pie and tie. Crying and fly. The oo sound, the OO sound. foot, and mood. You could say foot or mood. O-U. You. It's a oo sound. I-O-U, like few. E-W. New and stew. U. Dude and pure. UI. Suit. The long E sound. Beach. E-A. Flee and weak. E-E. Meeting or see. I. Slip or pretty. I-E. Field. U-I. Build. The E sound like heard. Heard. E-A. Heard and earn. U-R. Pure and nurse. E-R. Further. Further. O-U. Rough and enough. The GH sounds like the F sound. Rough and enough. The O sound like straw. Ah, A-W. Yawn and straw. O. Login or noggin. A. Fall or call. Practice and repeat these vowel combination sounds. Vowel combination sounds. Moth. Moth or stock or sock. A-W. Hawk. The F sound like field. Foot or friend. The G-A-H sound sounds like F. Enough or rough. The T sound. Team or tie. Bought or thought. The GH in bought and thought are silent. The EL or LE sound. Marble or settle. Marble, settle. The EI like eight. Eight or wait. The GH is silent in these words. Eight or wait. A. Plate or mate. AY. Play or may. AI. Waste or paint. The E sound. A sound. Bear. EA together. Bear. Breath. AI. Paid. Said. The AI can sound like paid or said. The E sound can sound like bet or beg. Short E can sound like bet or beg. Let's do a knowledge check. How would you write and pronounce what's in this picture? Question 2. How would you write and pronounce what's in this picture? And question 3, how would you write or pronounce what's in this picture? Question 1, light, diamond, pie. Question 2, flute, kite, skate. Question 3, feet, moon. So today we did pronunciation. Try to listen to this again a few times and pronounce each word as I have shown in the examples. We looked at the vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U, and Y, and combination of vowel sounds. Don't forget to do your review exercises. See you soon and have a great day.